Sway fish. This is sway fish, right? Swamp, sway. Oh, I'm gonna put some oil in it. Shh. I'm recording. I am recording. Okay. I can see it. I can. Some oil. I'm gonna preheat this oven to my see where my shirt say my to 360 no fish, so we're gonna go over 350 preheat. Making ow. I gotta sit down in my stool. I just set my kneecaps on this chair. Oh, I'm gonna play it off like they ain't heard. Oh, I got a lamp. I'm messing my body up worse and worse. I got this chair here. I don't know if you guys see my last video due to my back injury. So it gives out sometimes. I'm not gonna fall. Just pray for me, please. That, you know, but at the same time, I'm making swai fish. What is this? WSWAI? Hope I'm not saying it wrong. But hey, here's what it is. Yeah. I love cooking. Like I said, I'm not gonna give it up. Gonna keep pushing. It is hard for me. So I do cook, but I am gonna use this chair. I'm looking for more seasons to put on 3 pieces of big fish. If you guys didn't see. I'm doing this channel due to my disability, my back pain. I was told that it's not safe for me to work at this time. So I decided to do a YouTube channel for support to deal with, cause just to deal with not working, and want to know if anyone else out there is going with the same thing, going through the same symptoms I'm having, and back pain. And I was told that many people that suffer from chronic back pain also suffer from depression and anxiety. I had anxiety before the back pain, just from trauma and just being, just life. But this back pain is something different, and depression is something serious. So another note, yeah, I like to put curry and turmeric in all my food with to help me deal with inflammation. If you see me get tongue-tied or mumble, this is Nelly Nell. This is how she talks. Just bear with me, please. So I'm not gonna put curry in this one. I'm gonna just do some crushed pepper. I do like spicy food though. I see miracles, and I happen to you. So I'm always listening to gospel music, worship music, and giving God the glory that I'm able to just be here. Because I am a miracle. Woo! I'm gonna put an onion. Chopping up an onion real quick. Big pieces, like I said. I don't do small pieces due to my uh, arms and hand pain from my cervical stenosis. I mean, I probably like, damn, you got a lot of health issues. But yeah, back pain ain't no joke. And I had a surgery. And once you have surgery, I don't know how many guys, how many people on my channel had back surgery, but they all don't go well. It don't go well. So yeah, that part. Seasoned fish looks like this. Okay. That's how that's gonna look.